Hi, everybody. Give me a second. I'm just sharing my link a little bit. Okie dokie. So, yesterday I made some new cabochons. I'm a little early in demolding them. So we're gonna see how they came out. They may not be perfect because this is my first time attempting this. Do 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 do. All right, so let's see what we got here. Kind of cheated already and checked a couple. So that's what this one looks like. I like the coloring. But I can tell, I don't know if you can, let's see from this, see how it's got chipped on the edge. It's not completely full. So I know now that I need to pour more because as they cure, they're going to compress, which I did not know. Check this one out. Now this one came out super. This one I can still use. I mean, you can't really tell by the time you put it in the setting. I'm trying to see what's visible on here and what's not. I'm gonna move this around so that you can see as. So this one came out nicer. It also did the same thing where it's a little more hollow on the back. This one I overfilled on purpose. I don't know if you can see it. I wanted to see what would happen if I overfilled it, which is probably the opposite of what these were doing. I'm trying to see what's on camera and what's not. Okay. That's definitely interesting. So this is not what I expected. This is very dull. And that's probably as a result of the mold, not anything that was wrong with the resin itself. Because as you can see, these are shiny. This mold, I think I did backwards, so this was actually not the shiny part. Interesting. Okay. I'm gonna have to clean these up later. Oh, wow. Now that came out nice. That came out nice. That I'm happy with. Oh, that came out nice too. Look how pretty that is. Hi, Chino. Hi, Tony. These came out nice. I like these. So this was the fact. This one is dull because when I molded this previously, I had done this backwards. So the non-shiny part of the stone was molded, and that's why this is not shiny. I'll have to clean up these later. Ha, maybe, Tony. I don't know if you can see that. Look at how shiny and pretty that is. Oh, I'm going to be making tons of these. Tons of these. So these are two 18mm cabochons. Should be back. Next up. Oh, wow. That came out nice. So this one I'm kind of worried about. Not quite sure. Oh, that was a nice sound. That was fulfilling, satisfying. Let's see how it looks. Wow! That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. That came out beautiful. These two, not quite sure how I'm gonna get these stones out of these. Ugh. Oh, that came out nice too. There we go. Pop it out. It's a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. So this one I knew had less clay than these were going to have because I didn't plan to do this. I just did it on a whim. So I'm not quite sure if that one's usable or not. All right, now this is something a little different. I want to get into making miniatures. So I'm not sure how, this is going to be my first time ever doing a mold for a miniature. So I'm pulling off the flashing. That's what this debris is called. And we're going to pull this puppy out and see what it looks like. Oh, it came out so cute! Okay, for my first attempt, I'm making a little doll. Little muñeco. He is adorable. Just need to clip a little bit off. So when I was, I almost cut myself. When I was putting him into the mold, I was impatient and didn't wait for the glue, what do they call them? The glue dots, which would have kept them straight up like this. And so when I was pouring in the silicone to mold this, he fell over. So he kind of got modeled at an angle like that, but not bad for the first one. And he caught a lot of the detail, like in the eyes. Oh, he's got a little air bubble in his butt. But that's fine. He needs a little bit of sanding, probably. I could probably even use one of my clippers to like clip him down a little bit. But he's adorable. I could probably drill like a little hole and then hang him on some jewelry, like a little charm. So overall, I am pleased with the results of this first casting. All right, everybody, that's it for today. I just wanted to do that quick video and see you soon.